how are you? Welcome to our online class. Now, we're going to write the letter Y. Y as in yak. We'll start with uppercase or big letter Y. To write big letter Y, from the top, make a diagonal line to the right until the middle line. Then, from the top right side of your first line, make another diagonal line down the other way. Then from there, at the corner of the two diagonal lines, make a vertical line down. Let's do that again. Make a diagonal line, then another diagonal line, and a vertical line down. Now you try. Did you do it right?
Yes!
Good job! Now, let's move on to lowercase or small letter y. To write small letter y, we'll start in the middle line and make a diagonal line going to the right. Then, go back to the middle line and make a diagonal line the other way. This time, make it twice as long as the first one. Let's try that again. From the middle line, make a diagonal line down. Then on the other way, make another diagonal line down twice as long as the first one. Now you try. Did you do it right?
Yes!
Great job! It's so easy and fun to write the letter Y. Try some more so you can get better. Happy learning! Thank you for watching! For more fun educational videos, click here to subscribe.